This cadaveric image shows the superficial muscles of the back. The neck is positioned at the superior aspect of the image, while the right and left sides of the body are oriented accordingly. The most prominent structure visible here is the trapezius muscle, which is the most superficial muscle of the neck and upper back region. You can see the right and left trapezius muscles meeting in the midline, with their upper fibers attaching to the occipital bone. On the lateral side, a portion of the deltoid muscle is visible, covered by its fascia. Below the deltoid and along the lateral border of the trapezius, you can observe the fascia covering the infraspinatus muscle. Inferior to this, on each side, parts of the rhomboid major and teres major muscles are also seen. At the lowest level, the broad Latissimus dorsi muscle forms the inferior boundary of this superficial dissection. After reflecting the trapezius muscle, several deeper muscles of the back become visible. Along the medial border of the scapula, you can see the levator scapulae, rhomboid minor and rhomboid major, all of which are attached to the dorsal surface of the scapula. In the neck region, deep to the trapezius, lies the splenius capitis muscle, which extends upward toward the skull. This specimen demonstrates the Latissimus dorsi, the large superficial muscle of the back. The Latissimus dorsi takes its origin from the spinous processes of the vertebrae along the midline, and inferiorly from the iliac crest of the hip bone. From these broad origins, the muscle fibers converge laterally and superiorly toward the humerus, where they insert. Also visible in this image are the rhomboid major and teres major muscles, positioned above the Latissimus dorsi. On the opposite side, the left trapezius muscle can be observed. At the lower part of the specimen, the fascia covering the gluteus medius muscle is also seen extending inferiorly.